Hello, how you doing? We're going to use some canned fish today to make a nice, easy budget meal. You can see it right there. It's delicious, super easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, I've got this can of mackerel. You can see it's in the hot sauce already, but yeah, if you haven't got a hot sauce one, you could maybe add a bit of chili. Now, I'm using mackerel. You could use sardines, whatever, just some sort of canned fish. What we're going to do is turn this into something really beautiful, bulk it out, and make a lovely budget meal. Let's go. Same size can of tomatoes there. This is a whole plum tomato, which we're going to sort of crush up. In they go. So we've seen the canned tomatoes, we've seen our canned fish, whatever you want to use. And then we've got some potatoes here, so roughly about the same. It's about 3 cups each. About 2 cups of carrots and 2 cups of onion there. Tablespoon of garlic, and in there I've got salt, pepper, and I'm going to be using thyme today. And like I say, that's already got chili in it. This is made by a company called Grace, which is a Jamaican company, so it's got a kind of Scotch bonnet-y kind of flavour to it. If I didn't have that in there, I'd probably be adding a bit of chili, but yeah, you can go any way you like. Very easy. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a fairly large skillet, pan or wok-y type thing I've got there. We're going to start off by dropping into that oil. I'm using the corn oil, by the way, about 3 tablespoons, the potatoes, and our carrots. Now these are the 2 veg that I'm using, but again, bulk it out with anything else you want. You can get some mushrooms in there, eggplants in there, bell peppers might be nice in there. Entirely up to you, but I'm just going to go with these 2. So just put the heat on, slightly above medium heat. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes just to get these on the go and moving. Okay, so we've given these a nice head start. Let's drop in the couple of cups of onion, which I've sliced them, and you can dice it if you want. And let's get our garlic in there. And I say, feel free to get any other sort of veg in here you might like to bulk this right out. We're going to go again for about another 4 or 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab that can of tomatoes, which I've just roughly chopped with my hand. You know, I just got in there and broke it up a little bit. We're going to go salt, pepper and thyme like I'm using, but you could be using a different herb or spice. And again, about another 4 or so minutes. Stir often. We're nearly there. Now I've just turned the heat down a little bit to, you know, below medium. Then simply we're going to grab our canned fish. Nice kind of lowish heat. There you go, there's a bit of a chili in there. That doesn't look like a Scotch bonnet actually, it looks like a regular red. And then just cook this now for about, for me it's going to be about another 4 or 5 minutes. We're just looking for our potatoes and carrots to be tender. Give it a stir every now and then. Job done. All right, there you go, job done. Beautiful, nice and easy. We've bulked that right out. Nice, cheap, delicious meal. Nice with some bread or with some rice or just tuck in like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.